Hi everyone, today on Nwala Cooks, I'm going to show you how to make sausage bread rolls. My name is Nwala, welcome to my channel. To make the bread rolls, you'll be needing 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You'll be needing some butter. Make sure you're using soft butter and not cold butter. You'll also be needing some sugar, milk, yeast. I'm using fresh yeast, which is what I have at the moment. You can also use active dry yeast if that's what you have or if that's what you prefer. Eggs. You'll also be needing your favorite hot dogs. I'm using chicken hot dogs for this recipe, and you'll be needing a tiny little bit of salt. So let's get right into it. To begin with, we are going to proof our yeast. To do this, add some sugar and some warm milk to the yeast. Mix everything together to dissolve the yeast and set it aside to proof for about 5 minutes. It's the same procedure if you are using dry yeast, and I'm using warm milk because we are using milk for this recipe and not water. Warm milk helps the yeast to rise faster. The bubbles on the yeast shows that the yeast is active, so we are going to continue with the rest of the procedure. In a clean bowl, I'm adding in the rest of the milk and egg because I'm going to use the other egg for glazing. I'm also adding in the remaining sugar, a tiny little bit of salt, and I'll also be adding the proofed yeast. Next, I'm sifting in the all-purpose flour. I'll grab my spatula and combine everything together. If you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button because there are more recipes coming. Please do not forget to turn on the bell notification so you can know when I post new recipes. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you. Next, I'm going to go in with this part of my hand mixer. I use this part to knead doughs when I want to make donuts or for sausage bread rolls. It takes about 3 minutes. I just try and knead this dough until it gets smooth. You can also do this by hand. Once the dough comes together, I'm going to add in the butter and continue kneading the dough for about 10 minutes or until the dough becomes stretchy, which you'll see in a bit. You can tell that the dough is ready when it stretches like so. Next, I'm going to lightly grease the bowl to avoid the dough from sticking to it while it rises. And I'll cover up the dough and put it in a warm place to rise until it has doubled in size. It takes about 40 minutes to 1 hour. As you can see, the dough has doubled in size. So next, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of all-purpose flour on my clean work surface and knead the dough for about 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm going to try my possible best to divide this dough into 10 equal parts. If you have a kitchen scale, you can also weigh the dough. This helps to ensure that you have the same size. I'll show you 2 different methods you can use to make the bread rolls. Both methods are very easy, but I prefer the second method because it's faster in my opinion. So all you need to do is keep watching. For the second method, I am rolling the dough in between my palm. I do this until the dough stretches and I have the length that I want. If you measure the length with the hot dog you are using, it should be about 1.5. I'm rolling the dough on the hot dog, and it's also important that you leave some space at the beginning and at the end because the dough will still rise. I'm covering the bread rolls with a clean kitchen towel and I'll let it rise in a warm place for about 20 minutes or until it has doubled in size. Next, I'm glazing with egg wash and I'll transfer it to a preheated oven to bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you try this recipe. If you try it, please do not forget to tag me on Instagram at Nola Cooks. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe because there are more recipes coming. Don't forget to put on the bell notification so you can know when I post new recipes. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video. See you soon.